Hello, in this video I want to show you how to tell if your iRobot Roomba is charging. So right here I have a charging home base, and as you can see it's turned off as the LED lamp is not flashing. And if you want to make sure that your iRobot is charging, place it on the home station. You can also click on recall button to make it go back to it. And right here, if the device is charging, you should see this LED lamp right here, as well as the battery icon on the green. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.